Hi guys, I'm just doing this short video about the disclosure because I'm thinking that some of you are confused about if you have it turned in or not, because you've submitted the word done, but I have not got the form yet. So I'm just making this short video to show you what you're supposed to do. So I just used this class, so whatever class you're in, you'll get this video if you haven't turned in the disclosure. You're going to go to Modules. And under modules, you'll see disclosure. It's the fifth one down. It's right here. See it right there, disclosures. Okay, I'm going to click on disclosure. And once I go in there, it will say read the class overview page. So you click on that, you can go read the disclosure. It has everything in there like roles, your grading scale, what's expected, what we're learning, all that good stuff. And then you fill out this form right here. And this one says secondary 1-2 disclosure form. If you're in college prep math, I'll say college prep math. If you're in secondary 3, I'll say secondary 3. But this is the disclosure form. It's required. All this is required. So I need you to go ahead and fill this part out. So you're going to fill this part out. Fill. And then you click yes or no, but at the bottom there's the word submit, and you have to submit that. So if you don't have a score and you thought you did the disclosure, it's because it was not submitted and I don't have your information in the form. So that needs to be redone. Just go ahead and redo it. So if I'm sending you this email, this message in Canvas, it's because I do not have your disclosure. So please make sure that you get it done, okay? And then at the end, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and push submit assignment, and then you're going to type the word done. Some of you have already got that done, but I've been checking every Wednesday. I'm going to go back in and check the disclosure and see if you have it finished or not. So please get that taken care of as soon as possible. If you have any questions, please email me back through Canvas. I will talk to you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.